Hey guys, how are you doing? Julie here. So today I'm finally gonna do the unboxing of all the calligraphy tools that I got about 3 weeks ago. But before, I wanted to let you guys know that I started learning calligraphy, and today is the day to open this. It's a gift of the teacher who appears in the video teaching me how to hold the brush and write the characters. Okay, so she gave me this. Sorry, I have to record in the react in the other camera, so please bear with me. So let's open this guy here. Alright, so I think I need a scissors to open this. Yeah, I need there's something inside and it got easier to see. Okay, so I cut this. Let's see what's inside. Better take this from this bag. There's something inside here, and sorry about this. It's heavy, so I came up for a while. So yeah, it's inside. It's quite heavy. Oh my god, what's inside here? Maybe this is upside down. Oh yeah. Okay, let's open this. Let's see what's inside. Let's see what I got. I don't need this now. Let's see what we have here. Whoa, it must be something cool. Oh my goodness, what's this? My goodness, what is this? Wow. It seems to be something very cool. Whoa. My goodness, what's this? Whoa. Let's see the characters here. Well, it says here the first we have the character for brush. For writing, fude, and this is the kanji for the ink. Goku. Is it just a reading? Hitsuzumi Goku. Man, it seems to be something very cool. Let's open to see what's inside. Oh, this should be something fell off. What did I do here? Oops. Maybe I turn it around. I don't know what's this. Whoa, so she gave me the ink. So the brushes here. Okay. And what's this? I think this is something so we can put you can put the ink inside. I think you're supposed to put the ink here. Sorry, I don't understand this. I think you put the ink here. So when I show you this second character, it means coal. So it's supposed to put the coal here and mount it to so you can make the ink. Oh yeah, so this is supposed to be the ink. So I think it's Gokuju that you read. Gokuju, if I'm not wrong. I'm gonna check, and then when I edit the video, I'm gonna put it correctly. This is to put ink in the brushes. Yep. Yeah. Wow. And I have to ask my wife, what's this? Probably this is, isn't this the ink? So I put it here and mount it, I guess. So that's it. So that's my basic set for calligraphy. So I think this is called Suzuri. It's a place where I put the ink. And Gokuju, this is the basic stuff I knew about calligraphy. Gokuju, sorry if I'm wrong, I think it's Gokuju. It's the ink. And the inkstone. And of course the brushes, the fude. I think this is the ink. I have to ask my wife, and I'll let you know later when I edit this video. Well, my next step is to just start writing, and the next video might probably show you. As soon as I had a lesson, I talked to a friend who helped me make a video here in the past. He's a guy who knows Chinese calligraphy. He's a Chinese teacher, and turns out that we studied together in the 90s. So he gave me some, he recommended me some books so I could write the basics of calligraphy. Well, that's it. That's my calligraphy set that it took me 3 weeks to open it. I'm gonna ask my wife now what this stuff is all about, and once I start learning it, I might make some videos on the channel if you want. Thanks for watching this video. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Please don't forget to hit like. And if you want to support my channel and my language learning and also martial arts journey, can be a member of the channel. If you study Japanese and if you speak Portuguese, you can also buy my course. That's it. Thanks for watching. See ya.